I am very lucky to be a part of the DRK Crafts design team. This month we got a budget to pick our favourite crafty items from the website, so I'm going to show you what I chose. I chose a lot of their Christmas items this time because I was deep into Christmas in July crafting and they had some gorgeous bargains in their Christmas sale. So this is the Naughty or Nice 12x12 paper pack. And I'm hoping you can see that without too much glare. It's got some really pretty patterns in that one, and you get 3 sheets of each of the 12 designs, which I love. We all know I like having multiple sheets. I got these cards and envelopes, so there are 10 in here and they have a scalloped edge, which I thought was really pretty. I'll be making some cards with those. Next up is this distressing tool. I have seen people use this and it looks fabulous, so I thought I'd give that a go. Some Santa toppers. Shara uses things like this every year in her TNs and I desperately want to give it a go, so I thought they were perfect for that kind of project. Similarly, these Rudolph toppers. The little pom-pom nose is just so sweet. Some gold metallic snowflakes. The Naughty or Nice foam stickers. I'm going to pause really quickly to ask you to like and subscribe if you are enjoying this video. It would be great to have you around more and it really does help me out, so I appreciate it. These acrylic snowflakes. I have got some of the sparkly vinyl from DRK Crafts and I thought these would be perfect to try that out on. This tiny little mittens die. 2 of these December 25th dies. I thought it would be great to gift in Happy Mail this year. This pack of giant adhesive gems, so there's red and green in this one. I thought they'd make really good flower centres and things like that. These Naughty and Nice sentiment toppers, I just love them. I thought they were really sweet. And the Naughty and Nice puffy stickers as well. The holly garland, again inspired by Shara. She uses these sort of things in her TNs and I thought, why not give it a go? Another die, this one is a little present. 2 packs of the Naughty or Nice mini bows. I thought I'd keep one and share one. The Naughty or Nice character toppers. I thought this had some really cute little icons or little characters. Let me open it up for you. So we have Santa, we have Rudolph. Oh, there's some glitter in here. I wonder what that's coming off of. Ooh. Merry Christmas hearts. And then these super sweet little elves. And finally, I got these foliage ribbons. I thought they'd be really cute for layering. I'm excited to play with those. And that's everything I chose this month. Check back soon to see all of my creations using these, and I'll see you then. Bye!